Next installment, what's in the box, is here. Special edition. So this is the special black and gold snapback edition. Fitteds will be inbound of the same styles. Okay, these will release Friday, April 14th, 7 p.m. Pacific on westsidelev.us. All right, the first one. Whoop, whoop. Ho-ho. Oh yeah, that's pretty. You wanna see it? Really nice. You got a heather gray crown, a black visor, and a tan undervisor with the metallic gold logo, metallic gold New Era logo, and metallic gold Westside Love glyph. 950s, New Eras. Here we go. Model 1. Model 1 down. Oof, that's clean. These are gonna do well. You think I should put it on? We did the Panama tan, I think, for these. What do we think? Fresh?
Turn. Turn.
24/7 down. This one's nice. Styles 2 and 3. Same collection. It's good. Very nice.
Woke up, morning sun is shining, dog ain't laughing. Slapped the pic but didn't caption. Witnessing God in action. Betty made him season when he's speaking. This rummage for heaven off the heated shit.
Style 2, black and gold collection. Last but not least, we got Dubs. First time Dubs has the gold tooth. Officially our unofficial mascot. So these will drop Friday, April 14th at 7 p.m. Pacific. And snapbacks will be first, New Era 950s, and then we will be releasing 5950s later this month. So stay tuned for those, and we will see you all then. Thanks for tuning in.
Turn, spin, twirl.
Okay, all right.
When I pick the table, the stage food soap, still it's all praise due. Still I call great due to still involved, healing all wounds. They repair those, my plots been consumed by the scarecrows. Emerges a murder, yeah, they shield me and kill them all. Lay them in the tomb with the pharaohs. Yeah, my bros know my room.